Hello BIM armies, welcome to bimmodeler.com. So in this video tutorial, we're going to see a line work option and how do we use and where do we use it. You know that when you have a multiple object like this and overlapping each other and you want to show hidden elements, or you want to show some of the elements as hidden in a different line format. But when you do this option of overriding the graphics, you can do the entire element of the sink or whatever the table that it's placed on. You can do that. But if you see here, it's differently placed. It's a separate family that which is modeled. And when you say only segment of the elements needs to be in different line format, so what do you do? So you can go ahead and create this line work option. And let's say the scenario, we could say that some elements in here or here, we wanted to highlight them as it's for example, in this case, in these elements, the straight element, we wanted to highlight them in a different color so that it goes underneath we wanted to show. So this particular option only works on the floor plan, not only on the particular view, not on the any other views. So it's only affecting the current view. So let's go and select the dashed option. So when I go and select this segment, automatically it will be converted as a segmented line so that you can see so how it's changed this position. So by that we will be able to understand how we are highlighting a segment of the line in a family. Also, if you wanted to go back to the previous position of that element, so you can go by category. So it's a family category. When you do that, so automatically it becomes the previous version of the same whatever it was there in the earlier. So we are seeing this as a continuous series of tutorial. What are the tools available in Revit and how we can leverage that option. So one of this option is using the line work option and editing that segment. I hope this tutorial helped you. Do share it with your learning friends, which helps them and us as well. Thank you so much. See you on the next tutorial. Bye-bye.